overcoming challenges in life often make us feel lost and helpless. When struggling in the dark, the trauma of the heart seems to be unable to heal, making us immersed in endless troubles. However, Buddhist wisdom tells us that liberation is not an external gift, but an inner practice. Through self-healing, we can release our inner pain and regain our inner peace and strength. The power of compassion is emphasized in Buddhist wisdom, which is not only a care for others, but also a kind treatment for oneself. When we can look at our pain with a compassionate heart, we can begin to heal the scars in our hearts. This kind of compassion is not to escape from reality, but to deeply understand the nature of pain and accept it with a warm mind. In this way, we can transform pain into the driving force of growth and find new strength in the dilemma. The inner compassion makes us learn to accept ourselves and no longer worry about the mistakes of the past. This kind of acceptation will make us feel inner peace and gradually release the long-repressed pain. Buddhist teachings tell us that wisdom is an insight that allows us to clearly see the truth of life. Pain and troubles are often caused by our persistence and confusion, and wisdom is the key to cracking these confusions. When we look at our pain with wisdom, we can find the hidden way of liberation. The power of wisdom is that it allows us to overcome difficulties without being confused by the appearance of reality. When we can look at our hearts with wisdom, we can find a clear direction in the chaos and lead ourselves out of the predicament. The awareness mentioned in Buddhist wisdom is a profound inner observation, which allows us to see our inner state clearly and find the way to liberation from it. When we can clearly see the source of inner pain, we can start to change our relationship with pain. The process of awareness may make us feel uncomfortable, because it requires us to look directly at the scars in our hearts. However, it is this kind of real face that allows us to truly release the long-depressed emotions and regain inner peace. When we can look at ourselves with a wise mind, we can gradually transcend our inner pain and achieve real liberation. The inner pain often comes from our persistence and reluctance to the past. Only when we learn to treat the past with compassion can we really release these pressures. The power of compassion comes from our inner love and tolerance. When we can face ourselves and others with this mentality, we can let the pain dissipate invisibly. Through compassion, we can learn to forgive ourselves and release our inner resentment. This kind of forgiveness is not a condonance of mistakes, but allows us to let go of the shackles of the past and regain our inner freedom. Compassion is a powerful healing force that can help us repair ourselves from the bottom of our hearts and keep calm and secure in the face of the difficulties of life. Pain and troubles often follow, making us unable to breathe. However, Buddhist wisdom tells us that these pains are not our destiny, but can be released through self-healing. When we begin to look deeply into our hearts and face our emotions with compassion and wisdom, we can gradually release these pressures and regain inner peace.